Hey everyone, Alex Ionescu here. Welcome to Investor's Guide to the Galaxy. Tesla is creating a simulation of San Francisco in Unreal Engine. Tesla job listings detail Elon Musk's vision for thousands of humanoid robots within our factories. Tesla just revealed another sneak preview of the humanoid robot in a mini video where they show the moving robot hands. Let's dive right into it. Tesla stock price today down almost 7%, year to date down 33%, past year up only 4%. Tesla is creating a simulation of San Francisco in Unreal Engine. Over the years, Tesla has taken flack for testing its autopilot and self-driving features with its customers on public roads. But to be fair, there will be several steps taken before any Tesla software gets to a customer. It is always first tested internally by Tesla employees in closed courses and public roads, but even before that, it is tested in a simulation. Electrek obtained images of Tesla simulation in which Tesla is recreating parts of San Francisco to test autopilot and full self-driving, FSD. You can see here the picture. Tesla is creating the simulation in Unreal Engine, an engine powering many of your favorite video games like Fortnite, Valorant, and Robo Recall. The automaker even hired many environmental artists that worked on some of those games and other popular titles, like some of the latest games in the Call of Duty franchise, to develop the simulation. Tesla currently has several job listings for its autopilot simulation, and it describes the role of autopilot rendering engineer. As an autopilot rendering engineer, you will contribute to the development of autopilot simulation by enabling and supporting the creation of photorealistic 3D scenes that can accurately model the driving experience in a wide range of locales and conditions. We will be working across teams to provide graphics technology that can create high-fidelity scenes and enables the faithful reproduction of autopilot behavior in simulation. In the same job listing, Tesla references the Unreal Engine. Experience working with modern game engines, preferably Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine was created by Tim Sweeney, the founder and CEO of Epic Games. He is a famed software engineer, highly respected in the video game world. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has interacted with him on Twitter in the past. Here are some clips of an early version of Tesla simulation from last year's AI Day. Tesla is now using the latest version of 3D computer graphics engine Unreal Engine 5 to create its simulation. Unlike other companies developing self-driving systems, Tesla doesn't create HD maps to help its self-driving systems navigate, but it uses its simulation to create corner case scenarios to put its self-driving software through. The simulation is becoming increasingly more realistic, and Musk has pondered whether to make it public at some point by creating video games based on its simulation. In recent years, Tesla has had an increased interest in video games, which it has been increasingly integrating inside its vehicles. Lately, the automaker has even talked about integrating the Steam video game library in its vehicles. Tesla job listings details Elon Musk's vision for thousands of humanoid robots. Tesla job postings reveal the electric vehicle maker is doubling down on humanoid robots. Reuters recently reported the company is ramping up ambitious plans to develop the Tesla bot, also known as Optimus, with internal meetings and hiring for about 20 positions including software and firmware engineers, deep learning scientists, actuator technicians, and internships. Tesla is on a path to build humanoid bipedal robots at scale to automate repetitive and boring tasks, one job postings for mechatronics technician stated. Most importantly, you will see your work repeatedly shipped to and utilized by thousands of humanoid robots within our factories. Tesla posted most of the jobs under its autopilot division, which is simultaneously working to deploy full self-driving capabilities for vehicles. Elon Musk tweeted the autopilot team has end-of-month deadlines for both the Tesla Bot and Autopark projects. Earlier in the summer, Musk teased that a prototype of the robot could be unveiled at Tesla's AI Day on September 30th. Musk's vision for the 5'8", 125-pound Optimus extends beyond the production lines of Tesla factories. He ultimately sees an army of robots tasked with household chores and care work in millions of households. This, I think, has the potential to be more significant than the vehicle business over time, Musk said on earnings call in January. Investors and Tesla enthusiasts are still waiting on the Cybertruck, due out in 2023, after several delays, as well as the company's promise of full autonomous vehicles. The EV maker expanded its full self-driving beta pilot to 160,000 Tesla owners as it scales its autonomous software program, though some have said that the current $15,000 price tag isn't worth its current capabilities. Musk has also touted an automated robotaxi concept, which is slated to be announced in 2023 and enter production in 2024. And with deploying robots at scale, there are other challenges in the way of deployment. A number of companies have sought to develop humanoid robots: Hyundai, Boston Dynamics, Honda, GM and NASA, Ford, SoftBank, and others, though few projects have gotten off the ground. According to Reuters, the robots have had trouble overcoming unexpected situations and completing unscripted tasks, much like self-driving cars. And now for the big news of today. Tesla just revealed another sneak preview of the humanoid robots in a mini video where they show the moving robot hands, as you can see here. I can't wait any longer for AI Day today. What do you think of the robot hands? Aren't they cool or what? What do you think of the simulation of San Francisco for FSD, for Tesla FSD full self-driving? I'd like to know your opinion on all of this. Please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash that like button so that other people like you see this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.